Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. This is a photography technique video about Samsung phones. I am using Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video, I will teach you how to take great macro photos. And the specimen of my video is Samsung Galaxy Buds. I selected this object because it has a tiny text written on the back. I will show you how to take great and clear photos of this text. I am now in normal camera app and this is the main wide camera. Let's try to capture this text. Okay, the text are now in focus. Okay, this is quite good shot. But how about excellent shot? For this you need to go to ultra wide camera. Now you can move closer to the object. Tap to focus. Let's see. Yes, this is excellent macro shot. You can even see the dot of the print. Okay, this is wonderful. You can barely see the text in naked eye, but with the help of ultra wide macro capability, you can take great macro shot of anything, flower, text, texture, anything. The tips is you have to use ultra wide camera and then move very close to the object. This is the tips. This is how you take excellent macro photo via your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you for watching this video.